DIY Dad here, Ken Rehan. This is a Tornado Tools cordless screwdriver set. It comes in a 2-pack, or you can get a 1-pack. I recommend the 2-pack because this is a great cordless screwdriver that you should have one in your house and one in the garage or in the trunk of your car for those little needs. This is perfect for doing small little jobs such as tightening the nut doorknob or on a knob on a dresser or just taking apart something really quick. These are perfect. So this comes with a forward and reverse button. It's kind of a nice little rocker. Press down to go forward, the top section to go backwards, which is really nice. And if you notice, there's a really nice LED light that goes on. That is a super nice feature, especially when you're in a dark situation, like maybe underneath a cabinet or something, trying to put a screw in or tighten a screw. That's really nice. I can't tell you how much I like that feature, because you will use that little light. It's really cool. It comes with a rechargeable 3.8 volt lithium battery, and it comes with a charging cable, little USB charging cable there. Just plugs right in, then into any USB charging for charging the battery, which is nice. So you don't have to buy batteries. That's really convenient. It has a compact portable design that's easily can be used anywhere. And it has this nice wrist strap too that I like also. You can use this also for like in your garage, hanging it up on a hook. It's really convenient so you know where it is. It comes with a little adapter and 10 different bits, which is really handy. I like these little cartridges where they hold bits and stuff. That's really convenient because you can always look after you're done with a project and see if you have something missing. Then you have to look for a bit. Works really well. Just and show you a couple of screws. And here's another one. Look at how easy that is. No problem at all. And the charge lasts a long time, more than people realize. I hope you'll agree this is a great tool that everybody should have. I especially highly recommend one in your garage and one in your house because it's super convenient. You can get these at heartlandamerican.com, SKU number 61034. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below.